Kei te whai ngā hapu o taumatu me wairua i te itika hurangi.
I see Tāwhaki as a tool for the runanga to enable and to help the runanga express their rangatiratanga.
I te rangi nei, kua whakatūwhera a Tāwhaki Aerospace i tā rātou papataunga hei tautoko i ngā mahi, mai te rangahau ki te whakawhanaketanga.
And we're really super stoked with what's being produced here. It's a cap on the whenua, it feels good, and it feels good situated in this environment. You know, we've travelled to the States, we've been to Germany, and we've looked at what NASA's facilities are like, we've looked at what is happening in Germany, and from what we can see, there is no facility like this that is thinking about how it rejuvenates the environment and incorporates the aerospace activities.
I timata te rangapū ki Wainganui i ngā hapu me te kāwanatanga i te tau 2021. Mai i tērā, kua pua wai ngā mahi.
For us, it's about staying true to what we're doing and the vision and the focus. So we're really looking forward to working with the new government and in particular our new Space Minister to ensure that Tāwhaki continues to strive for those places that it goes.
E ai kia David Perenara O'Connell no te taumutu runanga, nā e nei mea hou ka tūwhera e tahi tūranga mahi mā ngā uri o Ngaitahu.
Already probably half of the team are Ngaitahu. As this facility comes to fruition, we've got the hangar that we're building as our next phase. There'll be more jobs locally that we'll need people down here on site. Looking at secondments, looking at internships, all of those types of things where our whānau members can get involved.
I see Tāwhaki as a mechanism for the tūrunanga to really help build the mātauranga and create access and facilities as well, hopefully, that'll enable kaumātua pakeke rangatahi to come out here and really start to takahi the whenua, once again.
Ko te tūmanako, hei a kua nei ka timata ngā mahi rerenga ki Taurangi. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.